Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, today we continue our tutorial on capital budgeting. Alright, so this is considered as tutorial budgeting part 2. Alright, if you focus on my previous tutorial video, capital budgeting part 1, I have shown you on question September 2011. Alright, class. Based on my previous session on the tutorial 1, I've teach you how to construct a table to find your initial outlay. Next is your annual differential cash flow and terminal cash flow. Alright, now class, we try to answer question B, payback period and net present value. Alright, class. Before you want to calculate the payback period and net present value, try to construct tables. Alright, as stated on your left side, as you can see on your left side. Alright, first column you put year. Second is your cash flow. Alright, class. Starting with your year 0 until year 5. Because as you can see in your table, in your step, okay, on the left side, this table show in year 1, year 2, year 3 and year 5. Therefore class, you need to do around 5 rows, including 0, it means that you got 6 rows. Alright, class. Now, after you get your annual cash flow, annual differential cash flow and terminal cash flow, you now try to do in vertical. Alright, so this is for your IO. First must be in for your IO. Alright, IO you can get from your step 5. As you can see, this is your IO. So 2, 6, 7, 7, 8, 1. 2, 6, 7, 7, 8, 1. Alright, class. Year 1 to year 5, the cash flow you can get from your step 6, annual differential cash flow. As you can see in the green color now. So this is your annual differential cash flow. So okay, this is year 1. Year 1 is 325,956. Next, 325,956 is the same, right? Because year 1 to year 3 is the same annual differential cash flow. 325,956. Alright, class. In terms of year 4, your annual differential cash flow is 408,456. Alright, 408,456. Alright, class. Remember, when you want to construct vertical tables for your payback period and for your net present value, for the last year, remember, you need to plus with your terminal cash flow. Alright, so means that class, how to calculate your final year cash flow, 408,456, you need to plus with your terminal cash flow from your calculation is 23,500. Alright, class, don't forget, don't do careless mistake, because most of the students always forget to plus with the terminal cash flow. You only plus terminal cash flow at the end of your accounting, at the end of the year. Alright, at the year 5. Alright, so 23,500. Alright, class, what is the total of cash flow for year 5? Alright, you will get 431,956. Clear? Okay, class. This is your cash flow. Mean that year 0, because this is your considered as your initial outlay. Clear? Initial outlay. And year 1 is through 325,956 until year 3, and year 4, 408,456. Yes, class. Year 5 is 408456. However, don't forget to plus with your terminal cash flow. Alright, remember the last year you must plus with your terminal cash flow. Alright, class. When you have construct this table, alright, now you need to calculate your payback period. Class, what is the formula for payback period? N minus 1 plus IO. What is IO, class? Initial outlay. IO minus sum of cash flow before N. Alright, and then you need to divide by cash flow on the year N. So what is that, class? Alright, so N, what is N, class? N is your year that you have to recover back your IO. How long it takes to recover back your IO? Okay, your IO is, this is your IO. Alright, 267,781. Alright, class. Means that is your IO. How long it takes to recover back your IO? That is payback period. Alright, now we try to calculate. First, 325956. We plus with 325956, year 2. Alright, so this is your cumulative cash flow. So, first year, only cover 325956. Alright, as you can see here now, class, is it cover your IO first year? Yes, cover your IO. So, class, okay, if you can see now, okay, and which year had cover your IO? Okay, as you can see, first year only it had cover the whole of your IO. Alright, if the question gives you 200,000 year, class, how? Means that, is it cover your IO? No, you need to see at the second year. So payback period you need to see. Mean what I mean now, class? N is what, class? N is the year that you had cover your IO. But in this question, year 1 had cover is 325,956. Can cover your IO 267. So your N is 1. Why, class, 1? Because it takes 1 year only to recover your cash flow. Plus, what is your IO? 267,781. Class, please don't forget, the negative sign must be ignored when you want to substitute in the formula. Please don't do negative in the formula. You can ignore the sign of negative. Negative sign actually in this table means that to represent your outflow 267,781. So when you want to calculate, please ignore the sign of negative. Alright, 267,781, you will minus it with alright, sum of cash flow before year. Just now you have choose, alright, you have choose year 1, correct? So what is the sum of your cash flow before the year 1? Is 0. Why, class? is 0. So after you divide negative 0, you divide it by your cash flow on the year. Can I know what is the cash flow on the year, class? Yes, 325956. Alright, so what is the answer, class? Then you will get divide by 325956. Okay, class. As you can see now, why I put it as year 0? Because sum of cash flow year before end. Just now you choose year 1 as your end. So what is the sum of your cash flow before year end? 0, correct? I give you an example. When your cash flow is 267,000, year 1 is 200,000, year 2 is only 10,000. Is it cover? No. Year 3 is 60,000. Yes, you see, year 3 had cover. So what the sum of before end means the sum before the year that you choose. But in this question, year 1 had cover the IO. So 0 minus 0 divide by the cash flow or the year that you choose. What is the cash flow, class? 325,956. So how long it takes, class? 0.82 years. Your payback period. Clear? It takes 820 years to cover your payback period. Okay, class. How to calculate NBV? Okay. How to calculate NBV, class? Remember, you have to use present value interest factor, PVIF. Alright. Based on the question, class. As you can see, company cost of capital is 12%. Correct? So you need to use your PVIF table 12%. So where we can get the figures for PVIF 12%, class? Alright. So now, as you can see in the table, this is PVIF table. Alright, class. Just now the question required you 12%, correct? So now, when you know it's 12%, so this is your 12%. Alright, how many years, class? 5 years. Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5. So 12% year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, and year 5. You can check the table and put it in this table. Okay. Right, year 0 is nothing. Okay, class? Year 0 is nothing. Alright, from where I get this, class? From PVIF table 12%. Year 1, put as year 1. Year 2, you put it as year 2. As you can see now, class. Alright. You see? Year 1, year 1. Year 2, year 2. Year 3, and year 3. Alright, class. When you have put it in the table, the PVIF figures. Alright. Okay, this is A. This is B. And this is C. How to calculate the C table, class? A times B. So, class, remember. A times B. So, you will get class, remember 325956 times with 8929, you will get 291046. Alright, and then using the same method for the second year, A times B, A times B, A times B, A times B. When you get all the figure for the column C, alright, you need to sum all the column C. Alright, equals to, alright, sum of what class? Sum all the column C, then you will get 128756. This we call as total present value. Clear? Alright, class. This is total present value. Alright, this is your total present value. Remember class, the formula for NPV, net present value, equals to total present value minus IO. So is it the answer? No. You need to calculate equals to, alright, you need to calculate total present value 1287,579. Alright, 1287,579. Alright, minus your IO. Can I know what is IO? 267,781 minus 267,781 equals to, alright, 1019798. So what is this class? Alright, class. For my class, it is compulsory you must put it as 2 decimal point. You must put it as 2 decimal point. Alright. Don't forget class, I forgot to inform you just now. Remember, when you times your column B, column A and B, then you get the answer. Please put it as 2 decimal point. Alright. So, okay, I repeat, 1287579.34 minus of your IO. What is your IO? 267,781. So the answer that you get is 1019798.34. Alright, class, you get it? Okay, so remember class, this is your NPV. Okay, this is your payback period and this is your NPV. So I repeat class before we end our tutorial. Remember, before you want to calculate your payback period and your net present value, alright, you must construct all the steps on the left side. Step 1, extract information. Step 2, calculate depreciation. Step 3, calculate tax for old machine. Step 4, calculate net working capital. Why we need to calculate step 1 to step 4? Because we need to calculate your step 5, initial outlay. Question require you to calculate the initial outlay. Then you get your IO. IO we will put at year 0. Alright. Next step, step 6. The question require you to calculate annual differential cash flow. You need to construct full table. If the question is 5 years for the new machine, so you need to construct 5 columns. So then you get your annual differential cash flow. Last is terminal cash flow. Why, class, we need to construct annual differential cash flow? Because all this figure we will transfer to your vertical table. Alright. This is vertical. Remember, you must construct from this table. This is considered as vertical. The year we separate the year by column, but now we need to transfer all this amount to make sure your table separate the year by row. Year 1, row year 2, row year 3 until year 5. Alright, class, I repeat, year 0 is your IO. Year 1 you can take from the table, step 6, year 2 and year 3 and year 4. But don't forget, year 5, the last year, is compulsory. Your annual differential cash flow, you need to plus with your terminal cash flow. When you complete the table, alright, you can calculate your payback period and your NPV. So I repeat, payback period is a formula. And what is N, class? The year that will cover the IO. Okay, means that if the year 1 still not cover, you need to plus to the year 2 until it cover the IO. Then in this case, in this question, on year 1 have covered the whole of your IO. So IO is your year 0 minus with your sum of cash flow before N. Just now we choose 1, correct? Because year 1 have covered the annual cash flow, the IO. So you need to sum of the cash flow before N and divide by your own cash flow at the year that you choose. Alright, then you get 0.82 years. However, for net present value, you must construct total present value table. It is your cash flow. And then you need to add up another column because it's called B. How you want to put the figure in your column B, class? From VVIF table. Alright, you can, okay. Final exam will provide you this table. Alright, so you can put it in column B. And how to calculate column C? A times B. Don't forget, you must put it as 2 decimal point. Clear? Alright. So then you sum all your column C, then you get your total present value. So this is not the answer. Net present value. The formula is total present value minus IO. Then you get the answer. So this is your net present value. Alright. That's all for today. Our tutorial session. Alright, so don't forget to calculate okay. So part 2 is on payback period and net present value. Alright, give a try for another question as well. You need to try to construct the whole process from step 1 to step 6, and the last process you need to put it as, but you need to put the year by horizontal and calculate your payback and your net present value. Alright.